Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I miss my girlies. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. You know I love to eat me up a quick weave video on my channel. So that's basically what I'm doing today. Shout out to Hermosa Hair for providing these gorgeous deep wave bundles. I will link the information down in the description box below. Today, girl, when I say we about to eat this up, we about to eat this up. So please continue to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm hoping that you enjoy this video. I love you guys, and let's go ahead and begin. This is deep wave. I was right. See, I be knowing what I be talking about sometimes. So another thing, if you are going to install this hair, I do recommend you guys actually washing it, like co-washing it before installing it. I just feel like you get the perfect texture that you're looking for when you go to install it. But I mean, if you love it like this, you love it like this, and I totally understand. You really don't have to do too much manipulation to it, but you do want to run your fingers through and all that good stuff just to make sure you like the quality of the hair before you go in and install it. So I like to basically do this as like a little testing 1 2 1 2. And a quick tip, if you are going to water bath your hair, you just want to remove this and then keep the little rubber band around your bundle, so you can literally just have it completely like together when you take it out, so you're not mixing up the lengths. But I do have all 24 inches, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to quickly just open the rest of these. The hair is super soft, y'all, and as you can see, it's really easy for me to run my fingers through. I'm really feeling this texture. I think that the hair texture is going to eat even more after dyeing it jet black. What do y'all think? There is just mild shedding, nothing crazy. I mean, it is deep wave hair, so you are going to get some type of shedding. Obviously nothing too excessive, or I will be letting you guys know. It doesn't have any corn chip smell. Y'all remember when I had to literally like tell y'all that, because there was some hair out here that would smell like corn chips? I feel like they figured out how to cancel all of that out, because when the girls told the people that it smelled like corn chips, everybody was like, oh no, we can't do it. Yeah, this is gonna be a gorgeous install, and I'm gonna try to not put any product in the hair so y'all can see what it gives once we install it, and then I'm just going to dunk the hair. I'm also going to shampoo and condition the hair with Generic's moisture conditioner and shampoo. It smells so good, and I recommend you guys putting that into your weaves or using that for your weaves, because it really just gets the hair slippery, silk, perfect, great moisture, and you really don't need any extra product to maintain your hair after using that specific product. So let me go ahead and get this into this water bath so I can get my ass on this trail before I give myself 99 excuses. But I love you guys, and I'll see you like in a hot 5 seconds, but it's probably going to be like 2 hours later, so bear with me. So it definitely gave 2 days later, but she's back. I'm so excited to be here, finally installing this hair with you guys. My hair is freshly washed, jet black, right along with these bundles. Everything came together, so I was so excited to jump on and start this install with you guys. I started braiding down my leave out. Those are the 2 braids in the front, and I'm going to braid down 6 other braids so I can get all of my hair out the way. And then we're going to go ahead and pop on a black wig cap, and this was going to start our foundation to start the laying of the tracks. So we're going to also go in with a little protective shield before we start laying the tracks, and this is going to ensure your wig cap is not going to roll up on you if you are a girly that is afraid of trying out quick weaves because you feel like you don't understand the concept. Well, this right here is going to help, like I said, ensure that the wig cap is not going to roll up on you. So that means your quick weave shouldn't roll up on you. As long as you put a good amount of glue on each track and you make sure that it's dried down before running around running your fingers through the hair, it should be perfect. So I do like to measure the track and use my Salon Pro glue to make sure that I place that first track. That first track is important, baby. You want to make sure it is laid and it's not going anywhere on you. So this time I made sure that it was going a little bit above my ears, so it was kind of more so at the temple area, just a little bit lower than the temple. But this is basically how I'm going to be doing this install, because I'm going for a quick weave this time. I don't like to go too short on the wefts, because I like to make sure that I'm able to reinstall it if need be. and this hair is so nice that I definitely will be reinstalling it once I take it out. I actually still have it in, and I've been rocking the hair for almost a week and a half, so I'm really obsessed with this hair, and I really think I'm going to be wearing it for vacation just because it makes sense. So I just wanted to show you guys how like tedious I'm laying my tracks. I know I speed up a lot of my quick weaves, but this time I tried to keep some actual like footage of me doing it in real time, so y'all can understand that I'm not going super fast. I'm making sure I cut the wefts to the perfect size. I don't want them to be too stepper-ish. I want them to be pretty even because I wanted to make sure that I at least had 3.5 bundles in this quick weave. So I wanted to make sure that the wefts were close, not too far apart. But obviously I didn't want to have too much hair on my head because I wanted to make sure that it looked natural with the hair, well, with my leave out once I try to blend everything together. So you can also go in with a blow dryer if needed to make sure that each weft is completely laid down, just for confidence purposes. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you guys do that. But because I've been doing this for over like 12 years, y'all, like I already know what's going on. You know what I mean? And I like to use this glue because I feel like it's not messy. It does dry down pretty quick. And I feel like it's called Salon Pro for a reason. So I'm just going to be doing this. It's pretty repetitive. And then I'm going to start working with smaller tracks towards like the crown of my head, so I can prepare to close the tracks up. I don't want to do the same length that you see me doing the other tracks, because then I'm working with longer pieces, which is going to give me a smaller like section to close up with, and I don't want to cut my tracks that small, because once you start cutting your tracks super small with a quick weave, it's harder for you to reuse it. So this is basically the concept that I was trying to show you before I started doing smaller tracks. So this is, I want to say, the second bundle, if not the third. No, it's actually the second bundle. So I'm going to go in with the second bundle, use all of that up, and then I'm going to actually go in with my third bundle for just finishing everything up. And I use a little bit of my fourth bundle just to close it up. That last piece that you'll see me using is going to be from the fourth bundle. But I loved how, even though I was pretty much at 3 in a slither of the fourth bundle, the hair looks super full. So if you're interested in getting less bundles with a length that's 24 inches, instead of getting 4 bundles, you possibly can get away with 3 bundles. But I always like to have an extra bundle just in case, you know, things get shaky. Going to continue doing this until we get to the top, and then I'm just going to start blending my hair with you guys. So I'll come back when I get to that step. Alright girlies, so we made it to the top, and now we're going to use the full third bundle to finish closing up the top. And then this is the fourth bundle, and I only used one tiny piece of weft just to close everything up. So that's why I said it's important for you to actually have a little room, a little wiggle room for, you know, just, you know, if you need some extra wefts. You don't want to have to like pull a track from the back if need be, okay? I used to do that sometimes with my clients because they be trying to be skimp with how many bundles they got, girl. And I literally had to like pull a track from the middle of their head so it can, you know, come together at the top. But when I say I ate this quick weave up, do you guys see this? The freaking leave out is not even there yet, but the way that everything is laying, like you can barely see a weft. Like I was obsessed. You can throw this up in a ponytail. I don't have any hair left out in the back, but I feel like it looks super natural. And I was obsessed with the quality of the hair, how well it just looked with even pulling your fingers through the hair. The hair was actually air dried outside, and I didn't do anything to it. I didn't add any leave-in. I didn't add any like sprays, any oil, nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to removing this extra fabric from the wig cap. And you just want to take your time with this part. You don't want to cut at your hair. I'm telling you, you don't want to do it. So make sure you just get a very close mirror and, you know, once again, take your time. And if you can't do this by yourself, please get somebody to do it for you. So once again, I was just admiring how everything looks so seamless. And then we're about to start blending my natural hair. I did go into the bathroom and just straightened it with my not my baby bliss flat iron. I think I used my Conair flat iron, and then I'm using my bed head crimper. I felt like that would work best for the blend to this weave. And we're just going to kind of like do a little test piece. That's basically what I was doing. I did have the crimper on 350 for my natural hair, and I put a ton of heat protectant spray on my hair so it didn't do any damage to it. So, you know, just take your time, make sure everything is blending and looking seamless. I'm going to take the hair down after and just lay my edges and literally just obsess over this hair in its entirety. Overall, I thought the hair quality was amazing, you guys. I feel like that generic shampoo and that dye definitely elevated the hair. 10 out of 10 so far for me. Super lightweight. And I feel like you get these bundles at an affordable price with this type of quality. You can't beat it. So make sure you guys take advantage. I will link all of Hermosa's information down in the description box below. Trust me, they have frontals and they have closures if that's what you would love to install. I'm just, you know, a quick weave girly. I love to have a little natural leave out with my quick weaves. I do touch up a little bit of pieces just to help blend everything together, and just slick my hair down with the Kenra's hairspray and just touch up a little bit more of my crimps. But overall, I was obsessed with Hermosa's hair, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and I hope you guys took something from it, learned something, or just enjoyed watching me do my install for you guys today. I love you guys so much. So many cute updos you can do with this style, you guys. But I hope to see you all in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. And I will see my girlies soon. Bye.